There's no process on the way. Truly, we see it far from realistic. And secondly, there has been no request of that nature from the US government. And we haven't sat down even to discuss if that would be a possibility. When the agreements were made, that possibility of the United States admitting people and then unadmitting them was not considered possible. Was not at the time seen as something reasonable. So anything of that type will need to be discussed.
Yeah.
Because of the privileged treatment they received in the United States is very unfair. They didn't tear down a wall. They didn't tear down anyone. They didn't have to jump a fence to get into the US. They were invited.